Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Caitlin, and in this video I will be decorating witch sugar cookies. These cookies were inspired by a popular Halloween movie. Let us know in the comments what your favorite Halloween movie is. The cookies used in this video were cut out using our 3D printed cookie cutters. Be sure to watch until the end of the video to learn more about our cookie cutters and custom orders. Let's get started. Start by drawing an outline of each section on the cookie with a black or brown edible marker. Then, outline each section with your desired color of royal icing. To make these 3 witches, outline the hair sections with red, black, and blonde icing. Set the outlined cookie to the side to dry for 5 to 10 minutes. Once the outline has formed a crust, flood the face and top of the hat with flood icing. Use a scribe tool to smooth the icing, then set aside to dry at room temperature for 15 to 20 minutes or in a dehydrator for 5 to 10 minutes. Next, flood the hair section of each witch using a scribe tool to smooth the icing. Flood the band of each hat, then set aside to dry at room temperature or in a dehydrator for the same amount of time as before. Finally, flood the bottom of the hat section for each witch using flood consistency icing. Use a scribe tool to smooth the icing, then set aside to dry at room temperature for 30 minutes or in a dehydrator for 10 to 15 minutes. Pipe a buckle on the hat using medium to stiff peak icing, then smooth with a scribe tool. To pipe the curly hair for the redhead witch, be sure to have medium to stiff peak icing ready to go. Hold the tip of your piping bag above the dried icing and apply a lot of pressure to allow the icing to curl. Continue adding curls until the section is covered, allowing just a small amount of the dried icing to show through. For the next witch, pipe the buckle, then a couple of wavy lines for the hair. To finish the final witch, pipe the buckle, then add overlapping wavy lines for the hair. Allow these cookies to dry completely for several hours or overnight before packaging. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and turning on the notifications. Your support will help us grow our channel and create more videos. If you would like to see more videos like this one, check out the Royal Icing Decorated Sugar Cookies playlist on our channel. Check out all of our cookie cutter designs by going to our website. Hover over the Categories tab, then the Cutters and Molds, and click on the CKSA Cutters link. If you are looking to have custom cutters made, start by sending us an email at cksamarketing@gmail.com. When you email us, be sure to include your desired designs and measurements. We will create your cutter, then send you the outline with the projected pricing. Once you approve the cutter, we will print it and you can pick it up in store or we will ship it to you. Leave us a comment on this video if you have any questions. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.